I'm Ibrahim Fofana, Livestock Director, URR. It has immensely have the great impact on the life and livelihood of the people of the region. First, it creates employment for youths, especially the female folk, and also increase their earning capacity. Their nutritional status also improve. It's important because if a lot of money is pumped into the production sector, if we are not on the side of the farmers, they may lose the value of their birds. So that's why we give them the coaching and mentoring so that they can move forward and minimize the mortality during the production. So that's why we give them the technical advice. Because before GIRAV intervention, we have few female farmers that are into the production sector. But with coming of the GIRAV, we have 3 female groups, which were first supported by GIRAV. And when it comes to the individuals, we have 9 individuals also benefited from GIRAV matching grant, all GIRAV poultry value chain. Here, our #1 challenge is feed, because almost 75% of the production cost goes to feed. The market also is sometimes a problem, because the local industry battle with the imported chicks. We, as a directorate, we select potential individuals who can make the best use of the fund that is given to them so that we can move ahead.